If I told you that I once asked Allah to take away my pain, would you still think my life is perfect? Hi, I'm Amina, and this is not just my story. It's the story of every soul who ever cried alone, thinking no one was listening. But He was. Allah was. Stay with me till the end. Maybe my story will remind you that miracles still happen, even in silence. There was a time when my heart was full of noise, social media, people, fake smiles. I prayed 5 times a day, but my heart was empty. I said, Ya Allah, why do I feel so lost when I'm doing everything right? And deep down, I realized I was doing everything for
One
people,
night,
not
after
for
everyone
Allah.
slept,
I sat under the stars. I cried. Not a cute cry, a real one, the kind that makes your heart shake. And I said, Ya Allah, I don't even know what I'm asking for anymore. I just need you. That night, I didn't see angels or hear voices, but I felt peace. Deep, silent, healing peace. Like Allah Himself said,
From
I was
that day,
always here,
I changed
waiting
how
for
I
you to
prayed.
return. Not because I had to, but because I wanted to. Each sajda became a conversation, not a ritual. Each dua felt like sending a message directly to the heavens. I stopped asking Allah for things and started asking Him for contentment, rida. That's when I understood what it means to be truly blessed. Not when life is easy, but when your heart says,
People around me still think I'm the
even
same
when it's
girl.
breaking, but I'm not. Now when I wake up, I whisper Bismillah with hope. When something breaks my heart, I say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. And I mean it. When I lose something, I remind myself, maybe Allah is protecting me from something I can't see. And you know what? He always does. Because when Allah takes something... So if you're watching this right now, and your heart feels heavy, if you feel forgotten, unseen, or unloved, remember this: you are not invisible to Allah. Every tear you cry is counted, every silent dua is heard, and every heartbreak is a doorway, leading you closer to Him. So don't give up. You are stronger than you think, and more loved than you know, because the one who created your heart knows exactly how to heal it.
True peace doesn't come from this world. It comes from turning your heart back to Allah.